In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Skype notifications effectively in just about 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself missing out on important messages or getting overwhelmed by too many notifications, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and take control of your Skype notifications. First things first, we need to navigate to the Skype website. So, open up your favorite browser and head over to Skype's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already signed into your account, Skype will prompt you to do so at this point. Sign in with your credentials to move forward. Once you're signed in and looking at your Skype interface, you're going to want to access the settings menu to adjust your notifications. To do this, look for the 3 dots or More Options menu, which is usually located in the top left corner of the Skype window. Clicking on these 3 dots will open up a variety of options, but for now let's focus on finding and selecting Settings. This will take us directly to where we need to be to adjust our notification preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, let's pinpoint where the notification options are. You should see a list of different settings on the left-hand side. From this list, we're specifically looking for the Notifications option. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Inside the notification settings, you'll find several options to customize how and when you receive notifications. The key setting we're looking for here is Chat Notifications. You'll want to ensure that this is turned on if you want to be alerted about incoming messages. Turning on chat notifications means whenever someone sends you a message, you'll be notified, ensuring you don't miss out on important chats. And that's basically it. By following these steps, you've now ensured that you're going to be kept in the loop with new messages on Skype without having to constantly check the app. However, it's important to balance being informed with not getting overwhelmed by notifications. Feel free to explore the other notification settings here to find the perfect setup for your needs. Maybe you want notifications for calls but not messages, or maybe you want to be notified only when specific people message you. Skype offers a lot of flexibility, so tweak these settings until you find what works best for you. In this quick guide, we've shown you how to navigate to the Skype website, how to access your settings, and specifically how to manage your chat notifications. Remember, staying connected doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your peace of mind to a constant barrage of notifications. With just a few clicks, you've taken a significant step towards making your digital life a bit less stressful and a lot more manageable. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Whether you're using Skype for personal connections or professional communications, knowing how to customize your notification settings is crucial for staying organized and focused. Until next time, happy chatting.